Click on the link below to get price. The half OFF Ponds floating fountain is a pond aerator designed to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and ecological health of your water feature. With a powerful 1.75 horsepower motor, it operates efficiently to create a pleasing display of water while delivering essential aeration. The fountain comes equipped with a generous 200-foot power cord, making it suitable for larger ponds and ensuring ample reach from the power source. One of the primary functions of the half OFF Ponds floating fountain is its ability to improve water quality. Aeration is crucial for maintaining a balanced ecosystem in ponds, as it encourages the natural processes that sustain aquatic life. The fountain produces a visually striking spray pattern, which not only beautifies the pond but also serves to oxygenate the water, benefiting fish and other organisms living within. In terms of design, the fountain is constructed to float on the surface of the water, which allows it to adapt easily to varying water levels. The floating nature means it can remain functional even in slightly changing water environments, making it a versatile choice for different pond conditions. Its robust construction is designed to withstand outdoor elements, ensuring durability over time. Setting up the half OFF Ponds floating fountain is relatively straightforward. The included power cord allows for flexibility in positioning, providing options for optimal placement without the need for extensive installation. Once positioned, the motor can be plugged into a standard outdoor electrical outlet, and the fountain will initiate the aeration and water display. When considering maintenance, the fountain's motor is designed for easy access, promoting straightforward upkeep. Regular checks for debris, particularly after storms or heavy winds, can help maintain the operational efficiency of the fountain. Cleaning the fountain periodically can also enhance its longevity and performance. In conclusion, the half OFF Ponds floating fountain offers a blend of aesthetic appeal and functional aeration for pond enthusiasts. With its powerful motor, thoughtful design, and ease of use, it stands as a reliable choice for those looking to enhance their pond environment. Its floating setup and durability make it suitable for various pond conditions, promoting both visual enjoyment and ecological balance.